Hello dear students, welcome to Karna Academy. Today in this video, we are going to learn the working formula of a cone. The first formula is volume of a cone. The volume of a cone is given by B is equal to 1 by 3 into pi r square into h. So dear students, r means the radius of the base of a cone and h means the vertical height. If we know the radius of the base of a cone and the vertical height of a cone, then the formula volume of a cone is B equals 1 by 3 pi r square into h, which can be written as 1 by 3 times A into h, where A is the base area. A means pi r square. So if we know base area and the vertical height, in that case, the formula volume of a cone is given by B equals 1 by 3 times A times h. Next, let us write down CSA, curved surface area of cone. The formula of the curved surface area of a cone is given by pi RL. Pi RL. If we know the slant height, which is denoted by the letter L, if we know the slant height and the radius of the base, then the curved surface area, that means CSA, is given by the formula pi RL. Next, let us write down the formula of TSA. Dear students, the formula of TSA is given by TSA is equal to pi r bracket r plus L. If we add base area and if we add the base area of a cone with curved surface area, base area plus curved surface area, that means CSA, curved surface area. So if we add base area and CSA, base area plus CSA, then we get total surface area. We know that base area means pi r square. So if we multiply pi r with r plus L, we get pi r square, which is the base area of the cone. If we multiply pi r with L, we get pi RL, which is the curved surface area of cone. So dear students, total surface area we can also get by adding the base area with the curved surface area. So the formula is pi r times r plus L. Now next we are going to write down the relation between slant height, vertical height and r. That means the relation between L, H and r. We know that L square is equal to H square plus r square. The relation between slant height, that means L, vertical height, that means H, and the radius of the base. The relation between L, H, R is given by the formula L square is equal to H square plus R square, which also we can write as L equals root H square plus R square. So by using this formula, we can find the slant height of a cone. Dear students, let us write down some other supporting formula of cone. So we know that the area of the base of a cone is given by the formula A equals pi r square, which is the area of the base of a cone. Diameter is 2 times of radius plus radius, we get diameter. D is equal to r. And let's write down number 7. So r is equal to d by 2. If diameter is given, then radius is half of diameter, that means r is equal to d by 2. And number 8, C means circumference of the base of a cone. So we can find the circumference of the base of a cone by using the formula C equals 2 pi r. So when C is given, that means circumference of the base of cone, then we can find out the radius by using the formula C equals to 2 pi r. So by solving this, we get r equals C by 2 pi. So C divided by 2 pi will be the value of radius. So dear students, Altogether we need 8 formula for solving the problems related to cone. The first one is volume of cone, which is equal to B is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, or we can say 1 by 3 times A into H. The formula of CSA is pi RL, which is the curve surface area. The formula of TSA is pi r bracket r plus L, or we can say base area plus CSA of a cone. The relation between slant height, that means L, vertical height H, and the radius of the base is given by the formula L square is equal to H square plus R square, or we can write L equals square root of H square plus R square. So the area of the base is equal to pi r square, which is the area of circle. The diameter of the base of a cone is given by the formula D is equal to R. So if we take the sum of radius, then we get diameter. Radius is equal to half of the diameter, that is R is equal to D by 2. Circumference of the base of a cone is given by the formula C equals 2 pi r. So from this we can derive the radius of the base of cone, which is R is equal to C divided by 2 pi. So I hope you have understood how to solve the problems related to cone by using the different formulas. So thank you for watching this video. We'll meet again in the next video with a new content. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.